Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we're going to discuss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Now we're going to discuss about method, approach, design, and procedures. So, without any further ado, let's start the discussion. So, for Atika and Haura, what do you think? What is approach, design, and procedures?
Okay, the approach is an assumption or theory which has a very broad scope and can be implemented in the teaching and learning process. That's approach. And for method, the way of implementing in which before a teacher implements the learning method, and the teacher must first know the theoretical assumption and the direction of learning. For design, relates to the general and specific objective of the method, namely the syllabus, model, the type of teaching and learning activity. For procedure is a step of an activity that is carried out in stage and sequentially. I think that's all.
Atika? So we
method
talk about, we talk about approach first, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Approach. For me, approach is theory of a language and language learning, like assumption and beliefs of the learning.
So,
Okay.
okay. So I have found that the approach is the level at which assumption and beliefs about language and language learning are specified. So approach is axiomatic. Is it same?
Yes, I think so.
Teteh? Haura?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the method? What about the method?
For the method is a target, plan, or set up orderly procedures that are based on the credible approach. You get what I mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
Teteh?
Method, the way of implementing.
Okay, so I have the method is the level at which the theory is put into practice.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we got it right.
Yeah.
And then approach method, design.
Okay. Design is for the content of linguistic from the description, organization, and teaching materials.
Can you repeat, Atika?
Design is for the content of linguistic from the description, organization, and teaching materials.
Okay,
No.
Teteh?
Mine, design relates to the general and specific objective of the method, like syllabus model, the type of teaching and learning activity.
Okay.
Okay.
Could you explain to us about the hierarchy of the approach, design, procedure, and techniques?
Oh, the hierarchy. So what I got about hierarchy is, so according Jack C. Richard and Ted Rogers model 1986, the method is like the umbrella of approach, design, and procedures. So approach, design, and procedures is in the same class like this. Can you see it?
Yes.
I can't. Okay. Yeah.
So what I found it is the hierarchy is like that. Guys, do you found it? Do you found the difference between method and technique?
As I say before, that a method is a target plan or set of orderly procedures that are based on a credible approach. And while the technique is a precise strategy, concrete trick, or a tested and trusted tip that's designed to help you reach the goals. Do you get what I mean?
So the
So the method
apa?
is based on the credible approach and target plan. But technique is a strategy, concrete, or tested and trusted tip.
So the
It's a
technique is like implementation like that.
Yeah.
Technique is the way we implement the method.
Method.
yes. If the
Right,
method is
proper?
a target plan, the technique is the practice or the implementation. Yes, that's right.
Okay. What else? Have we discussed about design?
Yes,
Yes, we have.
Procedures and approach?
yes.
Yes, all of them.
It's beautiful. So I think it's the time for summary.
Review.
Okay.
Conclusion, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. For the conclusion, approach is a theory of language and of language learning. Design is a definition of linguistic contents, a specification for the selection and organization of content, and a description of the role of teacher, learner, and teaching material. And procedure is concept with technique and practice in a method. And for hierarchy, same as Amel have said before.
Okay.
Okay.
All
So,
right.
okay. We got it
Okay.
right.
Yes,
Yeah.
you
We
got it.
accept it. We accept it.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for
Thank you.
our discussion. Thank you.
Short discussion.
Good night.
Good night.